The baboon, a highly adaptable primate, is known for its remarkable intelligence and social complexity. Found across various African terrains, from savannas to forests, these primates possess distinctive, elongated muzzles and powerful canine teeth, crucial for their omnivorous diet and defense mechanisms. Their strong limbs and gripping hands and feet enable them to skillfully navigate both arboreal and terrestrial habitats. Baboons are renowned for their intricate social structures, living in troops of up to 150 individuals. Notably, baboons were revered in ancient Egypt, symbolized in the form of the god Babi, and often depicted in art and hieroglyphs. These primates not only demonstrate remarkable adaptability in diverse environments, but also offer insights into social and familial structures, echoing aspects of human behavior.